when I was younger, I used to like staring at dogs on the bus so that they would get wound up by me and then I could pretend I don't know what they're. Like this, somebody's got a dog kind of down the front and the dog's sort of looking back the way. I like used to like going like that. Hearing the dog laugh. Quiet down, quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Quiet, be quiet. I sort of look around, be like that. Make sure you look at the dog, because that's what you would do if you were normal. You would go like that. Where's the dog bottom? What's going on there? You don't want to look too suspicious and you're like that, looking at the window.